Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And September was a month to forget. And earlier this month I mentioned that September is a historically weak month for the stock market. And this September was no different, with the stock market having its worst September since 2011. And I thought we'd do something a little different. We'll start out on some monthly charts and we'll show you the month of September. So here we are with the S&P 500, showing that the month of September was a monthly loss of 3.92%, ending a 5-month streak of winning months since back in April of this year for the S&P 500. The only bright spot really of the month of September was the dollar index, which you can see here gained 1.7% on the month for the US dollar. Dow Jones, like the Nasdaq that we'll see here in a moment, and the S&P 500 ending that 5-month winning streak, losing 2.28% for the month of September. Nasdaq Composite had the biggest loss of the three indexes, standing at negative 5.16% for the month of September. Crude Oil ending a 4-month streak, lost 7% on the month, struggling to stay right around that $40 a barrel level. Take a gold, down 4.8% on the month, and even Bitcoin was not to be outdone on the monthly level. Take a look at it here, get to a 1-year chart, change this over here to September so we get a good idea, and you can see the month of September lost 7% for Bitcoin as it struggles to break above that $12,000 level again that it had been trading at a few months ago. With that, we'll go back to our charts and take a look, as we usually do on a Friday, at a weekly level. We'll get that change. We'll get 6 months here. We'll actually pump it in a little bit closer. And as you can see, we're now trading on the week. Chart analysis scores a plus 60, indicating that we're still in a sidelines mode for the S&P 500. Currently trading 3,366.85 on the week, up roughly 2% as it stands right now, even with the shocking news overnight that the President of the United States has come down with coronavirus. We thought the markets might have been down more than they are, but they seem to be holding up pretty well on that recent breaking news. Key level to watch moving forward for the S&P 500 will be 3,428.92. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the S&P 500. Dollar index, after gaining 1.85% last week and being the stellar winner in September, is starting off October with a losing week, losing about 0.8% at the moment, with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we're still in a sidelines position for the US dollar, which is currently trading at 93.81. Key level to watch will be 92.74. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the US dollar. Take a look at the Dow Jones, currently up about 2.4% on the week, with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that daily structure is building and strengthening. Currently trading at 27,823.19. Key level to watch would be 28,364.77. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the Dow. Take a look at the Nasdaq, currently up about a little over 2% on the week, with a chart analysis score plus 85, trading at 11,143.12. Yes, that is a chart analysis score plus 85, as we'll go to a daily chart here and I'll show you why. We did get a new green weekly trade triangle yesterday at 11,299.53, indicating that we're now in a long position for the Nasdaq, coming under a bit of recent pressure today. Currently down about 1.6%, had been down over 2% on that news about President Trump. Key level to watch for the Nasdaq moving forward will be 10,519.49. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Take a look at crude oil, currently down 7.2% on the week, trading at 37.17. Really falling out of bed here with a chart analysis score negative 70, indicating that we're in a downtrend for crude oil, just waiting for that monthly trade triangle to trigger red and give us a strong downtrend. Key level to watch will be 40.28. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position in the short-term time frame for crude oil. Gold, making a bit of a bounce back after losing 4.7% last week, is up 2.3% this week, trading back above $1,900 an ounce at $1907.40. Chart analysis score, however, remains plus 70, so indicating that we're still in a sidelines position for gold. Key level to watch, I'll give you a little longer term one, will be 1,969.30. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for gold. We'll bounce out of here real quick, take a look at Bitcoin. Currently down a little over 1% on the day, down 2.2% on the week, with a chart analysis score at negative 60, indicating that we're still in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. Key level to watch will be 11,183.10. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for Bitcoin. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and here's to a great October.